Hey sis, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, hey, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Hopefully you'll stay a while, watch some more content, subscribe before you go, you know, all that stuff. But today we are starting a new series on my channel called Cheap Slay or Nay. Okay, this is where we try cheap wigs under $25 to see if it's either a cheap slay or nay. First up, we have Miss Girl here. So can you guess which one is gonna be? But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so as you all know, I once tried to find a curly bang wig that had a little bit of ombre blonde situation going on, and that was a major fail. We all remember that scam, okay? But I really want a wig like that. Well, not like that one, like the intended one. But, you know, I just haven't been so lucky. So I was like, let me try this again. I really want like the ombre blonde curly type situation. So this time I ordered the wig from Amazon again, but a completely different person. I'm hoping that it is what it looks like. I'll put the picture on the screen. I haven't opened the package yet. It's right here. Like, I don't know what it looks like. I want to open it up with you. The name is self-explanatory, right? Cheap Slay or Nay. So in like these videos, I'll be trying to find like really cheap wigs. I probably won't go above $25. I'm trying to find like cheap wigs that are still cute and, you know, nice quality. Like, of course, we're not trying to ask for like superb A1, the best of the best, but good enough quality that like we could wear it a few times and, you know what I'm saying, like she maintains. Let's open her up. Okay, this is what it looks like. It says for beauty. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh, I hope this is cute. This is what I see when I first open the bag. Oh, they gave some free gold hoops. That's nice. Yeah, they kind of look like rose gold. A cap, a tattoo. What? Another tattoo. Like, the curls are nice, but it's just very orange. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like fresh out of the box. This is what the cap looks like on the inside. We have two combs right here. And then we have no comb in the back. But we do have some adjustable straps. Let's try her on, shall we? Ah! What the freak is that? What the freak was that? This right here. Oh my god, that's what dug in my finger. Look. This piece right here. This was somebody returned. Somebody returned this. Cause like, what? Is it because a piece is broken off or something? Why is that just out like that? I gotta be careful for that because that junk hurt. I am not going to be negative. I'm going to try and push through. All right. This needs to be thinner. Like, this junk is thick as heck. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure if like this is the color that they advertised. I can't remember. But if it's not, then it's like, okay, whatever. Like, the color is not really what I wanted. I wanted more like a blonde type situation, but the color is not really that bad now that like I have it on and I'm looking at it. It's kind of like a 30 and it's not bad. It's not bad. The curl pattern looks exactly like it did in the picture. Like, so they did that. No misleading when it comes to that. Like, the curl pattern looks exactly like the picture. I think even the wig looks like the picture. It just doesn't really look cute on me, I feel. I think it might be a little bit too much hair. Like, I don't know, like something, I don't know if it's my outfit. Like, I tried to like take off a necklace and put on some hoops and see like if that would give it a different vibe, and it did. But I don't know, maybe like I need to have on like a different type of an outfit. But I don't know, I'm just really not feeling it. I don't think it's a bad wig though. Like, it's cute. I just think that it's a little bit too full for me. Like, y'all know me, like I like very natural density type wigs. Like, I don't like, because my hair would never be this thick, okay? I don't care how much castor oil I use, okay? My hair would never be this thick. So yeah, like it's just a little bit too thick for me. I like more natural density type wigs. This is a little bit too thick, but I do think that like it looks like the picture. Like, it looks like the picture, and I even think that it's a cute wig. It's just not really for me. And I've worn with like this style of wig before. Like, I used to make it though. Like, I used to make a curly bang wig. And it looks cute on me. Like, but this one, I don't know. I think that it would be a cheap slay for somebody. Like, it's not really a cheap slay for me. Like, it's okay. Like, it's not really a slay though. But because we have to either have a cheap slay or a nay, I'm gonna say we have a cheap slay. We have a cheap slay on our hands. So if you like this style of wig, like, then by all means, this is a cheap slay for you. But for me, like, I just think it's a little bit too thick. Now, I ain't saying that I'm never gonna wear it again. Like, I would just have to reevaluate the look and really figure out like what vibes I want to go for. Like, I feel like with my blazer, and no bra, like my oversized blazer and no bra with the sleeves pulled up some, giving off that kind of vibe, like I think it would look cute. But just like with this look, like it's not really my favorite. It's not bad though. Like I said, once I took off the necklace and changed the hoops, like, you know, as I'm looking at it here, it's like not that bad. Looking at it here though, I don't know. But looking at it on here, like, it's really not that bad. So I'd say we got a cheap slay, folks. This wig was $24, right under the budget by $1. And I think that it's cool. They also have like just a natural black color, and I think like that would probably look nicer too, and just more like maybe realistic. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this new series in the comments. Let me know, like, if you have any suggestions about the name, like, we can change it. Like, please let me know, like, if you have any suggestions. Let me know what you think about the series. Let me know what you think about the wig. Like, let me know. This is going to be, like, an ongoing thing. Like I said, it really has no end date or end time. Like, it could just go on forever and ever and ever. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, that's a wrap, y'all. I'm hungry and I'm about to go eat. So I will see you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, and whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.